Hey, it's Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited to share with you a platform. Its name is Irazoo.com, and they pay you for downloading apps, watching videos, participating in paid surveys, and you can make easily up to $40 to $50 by working only a few hours all by yourself. And I will show you step by step how to do that. But at the end of the video, I will also share how you can scale this business to $40 to $400 to $500 to $1,000 a day. And it's very, very easily possible. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And yes, if you like our videos, considering liking these videos, subscribing to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload a new video. So let's go ahead. So we are on irazoo.com/watch-videos/ click get started. Then I'm going to put my email address, first name, last name, and password. Create account. My account is created. Here is an article on the website. Where can I redeem my points? Once you have amassed 3,000 points, you qualified for any $5 reward. Once I log into my account, I can get all these points by fulfilling their requirements. Simply such as profile questions, select your gender, for me it's male, save and continue. My birth date, save and continue. Select your state, none of the above. What's your marital status? For me it's married. How do you describe yourself? My zip code, education, household income, number of people in my house, number of children under 18, whether I own my residence or not, do I have an automobile or not, am I a smoker or not, what's my employment status, my industry, my department, whether I have any medical conditions, what kind of smartphone I own. Click finish, and I just got 100 points. Similarly, when I verify my email, simply click on the button activate your Irazoo account that you received in your email, click confirm, and it is done. And as you can see, the point is automatically updated in my account. Now I'll go to my automobile profile. It's only two steps. How many vehicles I have. Then I have to click here to save the answers. Then click on the right arrow of two vehicles. Fill the form, click save again, and once the answers are saved, click finish. And I just won 250 points. Now I'll go to my health profile. Do I drink beverages? Alcoholic? No. Although I don't know why they're asking these questions despite my answering no. But still, I just won their points. So save and continue. If the answers don't match you, then just click other and click save and continue. And there are options like less than, less often, or never. The good thing about saying others, they won't ask you another question to describe what you mean by others. So it's easy if you want to avoid any question, as none of them are applicable. So I'm just going to click other and save continue. And I just won another $350 point. Whenever you want to redeem your points, go to rewards store. And if you are on US, then you have a lot of options including PayPal. If you are on Canada or other countries, then you have only PayPal option. I have just completed 450 points. Now I'm gonna fill the interests profile very fast. Okay, click save and continue, less than once a month, and then click again, then click the first one, I'm just trying to show you how fast it can be, although this is not recommended, because when you are getting paid from someone, you should give them the right thing. So when I'm getting paid, I should give them the right answer. But still, I'm just showing you how fast you can do. Awesome. Now my points are 550. Now I will make all these points by taking all these actions. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes maximum, and I'll make 850 points. Now anytime you want to make extra points, go to other fun stuff section, and you'll be here where you can select from available offers. These two seem to be unavailable at the moment, but this one, when I click, it says that you must create an account. Click OK. It's their partner and you have to go through the process. Another one is here. You can earn points by completing any of the offers below. You can go for featured, you can go for a variety of different tasks, all free to complete, or you can watch video, you can take surveys if you like, you can even shop. At this moment there is no offer, by the way. This one seemed to be decent, 1,346 points, but you actually have to create a free investment account and fake details going not to be paid. Offer opens in a new window, so when you click, it takes you to a new window, but it's not opening. Either it's not open for my country, so my country is blocked, or the offer is not open at the moment, or maybe the site is not loaded. This is something you have to accept, that it might happen a couple of times. So overall, it takes around 15 minutes to 1 hour to complete 3,000 points, which equals $5. In my opinion, it's decent for many countries. If you consider working hours in the US, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is 8 hours, $5 per hour equals $40 per day. Not bad at all. Average salary in the Philippines in 2020 was 45,000 Filipino pesos, which is equal to 2,200 US dollar. Now, how to scale your income from $40 to $50 a day to way up to $400 to $500 a day, or even $1,000 a day? The answer is you have to change your mindset. The mindset of working alone, all by yourself, on one platform. Change it to working as a team, working for the team, and working on multiple places. Now, you might be thinking, oh my God, do I have to hire people? Yes, you have to. Oh, wouldn't that be expensive? The answer is no. Well, here's the thing that everybody is buying. You are buying someone's time, and someone is not buying your money. They are buying stability of work. So there are a lot of people on countries like Vietnam, Philippines, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, who will charge $100, $200, $300, $500 a month for full 8 hours work. Why? Because in their countries, US dollar is very expensive. So they will be very happy with that amount of money. But in return, they want one thing from you, and that is stability of their job. This is your job, and that is the risk for you. So you are taking the risk on their behalf, and they are sharing their time for you. But here is one more thing: motivation. People need motivation because the world is open now. Everybody knows about the opportunities out there. So you might lose people if you don't motivate them. So how to motivate them? Instead of hiring people as an employee, hire people as your family members or your team members and respect them. Give them what they want. So people are motivated by position, people are motivated by money, people are motivated by appreciation. Okay, so give them those things, not quite money all the time, but appreciation and position, and they will work for you. Again, I told you, a lot of people work for stability of their job. So give them the stability, take their load, take their risk, and you will be able to build an awesome family, and everybody will work for the family. Now let's say you hire someone for $20 a day, just an example, and that person is making $100 a day by working 8 hours a day for you. So it's your job to find that opportunity for him. If you don't have that opportunity, that is also your risk. So they want to avoid taking that risk. Instead, they will give their time, they will charge less money, but you are the one who is taking the risk for them. So this is quite the entrepreneurship part, and in order to scale your business to passive $400 to $500 to $1,000 a day, you have to take this limited risk. This is what I have done in my beginning. So back when I started, I had a full 8 hours day job, and I did not have enough time to work on my day job and work on my business. So I figured I needed to hire people. And I did the same. I hired people at a cheaper price, but I took the load of two things: that I need to train them, motivate them, of course, and I have to take their risk. That if I don't have income for any reason, I have to pay them from my pocket. That stability motivated them to stay a long time with me, and a lot of them are working up to 5 years with me so far, and they are experts. They became experts in what they do right now. And we are just one big family. We work for the family. They do understand their work is making profit, but the profit is coming not to my pocket, it's coming to the family. And then from the from the central system, the money is distributed to every member as salaries. So they are motivated and they are happy, and we promote them with courage, inspirations, motivations, positions, and money. So together we are happy and we are scaling up our business. Now we already hit our goal of 2020, then we are hitting 2021, and you'll be able to hit your goal as well. So this is a kind of thing that you can do, but all that shifted was the mindset. So let's do this. Let's make $1,000 a day, $100,000 a day, and $1 million a day. By the way, did you like this video? Was this video helpful? I opened my heart and I told you what I do, we do as a family, and we hit our goals every single year. And you can do it too. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and switch on the notification bell button, subscribe to our channel. So you are the first one to get notified when we upload a new video, and I will see you in the next video.